Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kenzie, and today we are doing another Raddish Kids. And this one is even special because it is Halloween. Let's open it up. Whoa, this is cool. We're gonna find out what we do with this later. Let's put that over there. This is put a box over there. This there. Okay, let's get this thing out. There we go. Oh, the badge. Look at the badge. These are all the rest of these in the shopping list. We are gonna make the Leches cake. Okay, we need to go to the grocery store. Hey, we are at Dixie to shop for the list. We need some flour. Heavy. Now it's time to get this. Now it's time to get the baking powder. Grabbing the powdered sugar next. Here. This is the powdered sugar. Let's go put it in the cart. Grab these little chocolate chips. I just dropped them. These are step-by-step instructions. You need a big bowl like this for your flour. Now add your baking powder and salt. Mix it up and set to the side. Now take a second bowl, and now you need your butter, your vanilla, and salt and sugar. And let's pour it in. Start with the butter. Now I have vanilla and sugar. It's like raindrops. Smells so good. Whee. Now it's time to add some eggs. To your bowl and some milk. Okay. You need a pan like this, and then you pour your stuff in here, and you put it in the oven for 28 minutes. So look like this when it's all poured. Once it's all cool, you take your fork and then you pour cords all the way down. Like this. Regular milk and sweet milk and vegetable milk. We're going to pour them in this bowl and then we're going to mix them up. Once you poke your hose, you pour the milk over them. Make sure you pour it all over nice and even. When you're done pouring the milk, put it in the fridge for 3 hours. Now you have to make the whipped cream for the ghost. You need heavy whipping cream and powdered sugar. Pour your mixer into the mixer like this and turn it on. When it all works like this, it should look like this, and then take a plastic baggie and put it in like this. Okay, so you pour this, and then you take little chocolate chips, and then you put it on for the ghost eyes. Take a floss. You take your frosting. That was yummy. Okay, let's take 2. This is like a baby one. This seems like a baby. And this is our haunted Leches cake. Okay, let's try it. I'm not going to eat the eyeballs because it looks cute up there, so I'm just going to eat. That's good. That's delicious. Thank you for watching. Give me a huge thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. And that's the end.